The perfect blend for smoothies. This is the 3-berry blend from Costco. Costs around £7.99 for a 1.8 kg bag of berries. Storage, keep it in your freezer. Has 36% of raspberries, 34% of blueberries and 30% of blackberries. Sourced from South America. Has a long expiry date. Now, berries offer a wide array of health benefits due to their rich antioxidants, fiber and vitamin content. You can eat them as a snack, add them to smoothies, yogurt or oatmeal, use them in baking such as in muffins or crumbles, or you can include them in salads or as a topping for desserts. There is a documentary on YouTube where a study has been carried out regarding frozen fruit, and they found out that frozen fruit often retains more vitamins than fresh fruit, especially when considering the time it takes for fresh produce to be transported and stored before consumption. Freezing fruit shortly after harvest preserves nutrients. The 3-berry blend is perfect to make smoothies on the go. It's sweet in taste and similar to what you get in a juice bar. Stay healthy guys, peace.